Hello students, in class first year maths. Today we have chapter trigonometric equations. So what is trigonometric equations? First our definition is what is trigonometric equation? An equation which involves trigonometric functions. Different trigonometric functions is called trigonometric equations, such as sin x equal to 1 by 2, cos x equal to root 3 by 2. These are trigonometric equations. So an equation which involves trigonometric functions is known as trigonometric equations. Now we come to next topic. What is principal solution of trigonometric equations? So principal solution is the solution of trigonometric equation for which we apply the interval, for which interval is 0 degree and 2 pi. From 0 degree and between 0 degree to 2 pi means principal solution, we apply principal solution for trigonometric equation. Its interval is 0 is less than x is less than 2 pi. From 0 to 2 pi, we solve the principal solution. So our principal solution is in between 0 and 2 pi. From 0 degree, including 0 degree and less than 2 pi. To find principal solution of, we take example for this principal solution. So find principal solutions of sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So we know that principal solution lie between 0 degree and 2 pi. X is less than 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 2 pi. Therefore, and sin is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. We know that its solution is, since sin x is equal to 1 by 2, since we know that sin 30 degree that is sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So first value x equal to pi by 6, its principal solution, and the principal solution is, since we know that sin x is equal to 1 by 2 and sin it is positive, sin x is positive in second quadrant also. For second quadrant we have sin pi minus theta, sin theta. Sin pi minus theta equal to sin pi by 6, sin pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. On solving it, we have pi minus pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So these two values, sin pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2 and sin 5 pi by 6 also 1 by 2. So these two values, pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6, these two angles belongs in this interval from 0 is less than x is less than 2 pi. So therefore it is principal solution, pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 are principal solution of given equation sin x equal to 1 by 2. Once again listen, if you have given sin x equal to 1 by 2, then question arises here, which value of sin equal to 1 by 2? So we know that sin 30 degree or sin pi by 6, in radian pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we get the value x equal to pi by 6. Because sin is positive in second quadrant also, then we come here sin x equal to 1 by 2 and sin f pi minus pi by 6 also 1 by 2. Therefore, sin pi minus theta sin solving it, we get sin pi 5 pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we have two values pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 are principal solution of given equation. Now we come to the next topic, general solution of sin x equal to sin y. So you see the students, general solution of sin x equal to sin y. Trigonometric equation your topic. This is your topic, trigonometric equation. Now we come to the general solution of sin x equal to sin 1. Its general solution. So now we come here. Sin x equal to sin y. Sin x minus sin y is equal to 0. Sin c minus sin d. We come to the formula sin c minus sin d. Its formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is equal to cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. This implies that cos x plus y by 2 equal to 0 or sin x minus y by 2 equal to 0. Cos x plus y by 2 equal to 0. This means x plus y by 2 equal to, in general form, 2k plus 1 into pi by 2. And our x minus y by 2 equal to, it's equal to k pi. Here k belongs to integer. K is constant, it belongs to integer. Here see, it's cos x plus y by 2 equal to 0. The x plus y by 2 becomes 2k plus 1 into pi by 2. I have discussed this earlier. This part I have discussed earlier. If sin x minus y by 2 equal to 0, therefore x minus y by 2 equal to k pi. K is some integer. यहाँ पे k की वैल्यू आप कुछ पुट करिएगा 1 2 3, it always becomes, ये फॉर्म इस फॉर्म में हो जाएगा पाई 2 पाई 3 पाई फॉर्म में. जब भी साइन पाई 2 पाई 3 पाई आप सॉल्व करिएगा 0 होगा. ऐसे यहाँ पर भी पाई बाय 2 मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई बाय 2 में cos की जो वैल्यू होगी, द वैल्यू ऑफ cos मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई बाय 2 इज ऑलवेज 0. देयरफॉर वी सिंप्लीफाई इट to cancel out here. Therefore x plus y is equal to 2k plus 1 into pi. Therefore x becomes 2k plus 1 pi minus y. And here also r x minus y is equal to 2k pi. Therefore x is equal to 2k pi plus y. K belongs to integer. In both the cases, k belongs to integer here. We have two equation x equal to 2k plus 1 pi minus y and second x equal to 2k pi plus y. So from first condition x equal to 2k plus 1 pi minus y, we have x equal to 2k plus 1 pi plus minus 1 to the power 2k plus 1 into y. It is equation first with From second condition x equal to 2k pi plus y, we have x equal to 2k pi plus 1 to the power minus 1 to the power 2k pi. 2k minus 1 to the power 2k into y. It is always positive. It is always positive because it is an even number. Minus 1 to the power 2k, it is an even number, therefore it is always positive. But it is odd number. Minus 1 to the power 2k plus 1, it is negative. So ये दो it is two condition we summarize here. So combining these two equations we have. Student, once again see, cos x plus y by 2 equal to 0. Therefore x plus y by 2 equal to 2k plus 1 pi by 2. It is general form of this equation. Similarly, sin x minus y by 2 equal to 0. Therefore x minus y by 2 equal to k pi. It is general form of this equation. It is general form of this equation. K belongs to integer. Now solving it, x plus y 2k plus 1 into pi, x equal to 2k plus 1 pi minus y. Here x equal to 2k pi plus y. Solving it. So from first condition x equal to 2k plus 1 pi minus y, we can write it like this. 2k plus 1 pi minus 1 to the power 2k plus 1 into y. So minus 1 to the power 2k plus 1, it is an odd number. Minus 1 to the power of any odd number, it is always negative. And minus 1 to the power even number, minus 1 to the power even number, it is always positive. Combining these two equations, we have solution of this equation. So combining equation 1 and 2, we have combining equation 1 and 2, we have combining equations 1 and 2, we get x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. It is general solution of given equation. Here n belongs to integer. N is integer. N belongs to I or n belongs to z. N is set of integer. N is set of integer. N is integer. N belongs to integer. So thus general solution of sin x equal to sin y, sin x equal to sin y, its general solution is x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. Here y is some angle. Thank you students. Next day I will discuss some more general solution. Thank you.